How's it going, my dear friend? I hope all is well. Also, the Akmolinsk region has a Kazakh community. They do, to be completely honest, at this very moment, I really do not know at all. The Kazakh spotted horse. That's a stallion. It's thin.
Is that so? Is the stallion like that? AM. Wide open. You just simply give it to the one standing right over there, simply. Speaking of which, it's about 500,000. For such a black one, sorry, it's for 2 stallions. How is it, not getting tangled up with each other? It's a very simple project. I took the one to ride. That's not right. That's what I'm saying. Mr. M is currently speaking about.
Well,
How old is it? Okay.
all right. Like zero here.
I think people, possibly in the age category of 7 to 8 years. They did it indeed. There are certain individuals who are intimately familiar with it. Look, they say it like this.
This oil and oil.
Um,
Just